From a fledgling economy to a bustling global market, India has come a long way indeed. And as modern India fast-tracks business growth, the automobile sector is right on track. Already the global small car hub, India's automobile sector is poised to be the world's second largest, and the world's biggest brands are driving in. But behind the scenes, the real ignition for these brands' entry has been the drive and professional competence of Indian entrepreneurship and the burgeoning Tier 1 and Tier 2 vendor sectors that enable mega brands to build their reputations indigenously. And a front runner in this arena is Goel Engineering Polymers Private Limited, a self-driven vehicle of excellence that is bridging the gap between demand and supply of quality parts for the burgeoning Indian automobile sector. GEP's journey towards excellence began in 2002. Ever since, the company has surpassed many milestones in its chosen arena of engineering plastics raw materials. Putting growth on overdrive, the company has never lost sight of global quality benchmarks. And within the short span of a decade, GEP is right on track towards market leadership in engineering polymer distribution. Initially known as Goel Polymers, the company subsequently rechristened itself as Goel Engineering Polymers Private Limited, as it covered fresh ground to rapidly emerge as a leading conglomerate in all the three key sectors of India. Riding on the confidence of esteemed clients and driven by the dedication of a passionate team, the company has expanded phenomenally, growing manifolds and establishing a pan-India footprint with strategic partnerships with global polymer suppliers. GEP has webbed together an extensive sales network, augmented by captive warehouses in key markets of automotive sector. Committed to delivering delight, the company has helped clients significantly reduce their inventory costs by ensuring just-in-time deliveries every time. The company's multi-location warehousing facilities offer clients the advantages of bulk buying and locally available stocks, which are ever ready to be dispatched within an hour's notice. GEP has centered its focus in the automotive industry. The company is associated with all the top Tier 1 OEM suppliers like Lumax Industries Limited, Fiam, Moriroku, Varroc Group, Minda Industries Limited, Rinder India, Procter & Gamble, Tata Motors, Unitech, Polyplastic, Tafe, Value, Precision Pipe, HPL Socomec Private Limited and more. In barely a decade, the company has dramatically shifted gears, accelerating from a humble turnover of 2.25 crore rupees to a whopping 350 crores as of now. Set firmly on an accelerated growth path, GEP intends to increase polymer supplies from 1,500 metric tons to 5,000 metric tons per month, and to achieve a turnover of 2,000 crore rupees in the next 5 years. Over a period of time, GEP has evolved into a diversified group of companies with a global vision. In 2008, as part of upward integration, the group established Polyplastics Automotive India Private Limited with a new plant. This was in collaboration with Polyplastics, one of the top 10 OEM suppliers in the world for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. This plant mainly supplies molding and painted parts to leading names such as Maruti Suzuki, Hero MotoCorp, Honda Scooter and more. In 2009, GEP Group established a new company, Polycolor & Compounds Private Limited in Delhi. This plant offers highly cost-effective coloring and compounding of engineering plastics raw material, adding value to the distribution function. The brand name Polylac is fast gaining reputation. In 2010, the foundation stone of another company, Babel Automotive India Private Limited, was laid. This plant at Babel is coming up with a world-class tool room molding and paint shop with Japanese collaboration. Production is expected to begin by April 2012. This then is the story thus far of the multi-dimensional GEP group. Driven by a passion to exceed clients' expectations, with a foot firmly on the accelerator, the group looks forward to the next decade, filled with exciting growth, new opportunities and continued market leadership. Come, join us in this victory drive.